Hey, welcome back, folks. Today we are going to unbox this Toyota Supra Mark IV by LCD Models. It is an official licensed product by Toyota, which is always good. This model in particular is in white. I believe they also have a black one and a red one. Okay, so yeah, let's crack this open. And I have an 18 scale model of this car since this is one of my top 5 JDM models of all time. So I had to get um, an 118 version of this car. And now, when I found that, ooh, this is a tough one. When I found that LCD is making the 64th scale model of the same car, I knew I had to get one. And from what I've seen in other YouTube videos, this one is a good roller. So we'll find out once we take this model out of the box or the acrylic. There's a QC pass card. No tapes on the acrylic box, so it's easy to open. Pop right up. Okay, let's take a look at the model first on the base. The base is quite plain, very simple, very clean looking, which I'm a big fan of. It's not numbered or anything. There's a Toyota logo on the nameplate and Toyota Supra A80. Let's see. Let's zoom in here. Gosh, it just looks like the 18 scale model that I have, but obviously smaller. The wheels is absolutely gorgeous. You can kind of see the brake inside the wheel, which is kind of cool. It's missing the caliper though, I think, or unless that black thing is the caliper. It's kind of hard to tell. Oh no, actually the caliper is not missing. It's in black. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's on the right hand side of the wheel. Black calipers in the front too. Looking at the front, the headlamps are plastic. Casing looks good. Has some details inside each headlamp. The turn signal are in plastic as well. They're in amber. The lower part, the lower grill, you can't really see through them, so you can't see the intercooler or any engine detail for that matter. Taking a look at the right side, the air vent does not have a hole, but there is a cutout there, so pretty good detail. Panel gaps are decent. Yeah, I don't mind it at all. The paint looks good. I haven't seen any imperfection just yet. So far, so good. Paint is really shiny, which is incredible. Then on to the back side. The taillights looks good. I think inside the plastic casing though, I think the red patterns inside the taillights are stickers, if I'm not mistaken. So they're not quite detailed, but it's okay. It still looks good. Has the Toyota badge there, the Supra license plate. Supra emblem. Ooh, the Supra emblem is quite. I don't think it's kind of crooked, right? If I'm not mistaken. The exhaust is painted chrome, which just looks gorgeous, in my opinion. The side mirrors has a reflective sticker on it. Nice touch. It is hard plastic. Don't want to. So unlike Mini GT, they are rubber, but in this case, it's hard plastic. It might have been die cast as well as part of the door. This car is very, very impressive. For the price, I believe I paid 20 bucks for this. It's quite amazing. Let me get a screwdriver so I can unscrew this so we can test it, see if it rolls well. It's quite easy to remove from its base, which is good. All right, so ooh, yeah, this guy's a good roller, guys. See that? It's almost uh, I think it's almost like a mini GT model. It rolls. Ooh, yeah. I love this one. It's a good roller. Um, and one unique feature of this model is you can actually pop up the hood. Um, and there's a little sticker there that we have to remove. Okay. Now it leaves like a residue there, which is very easy to remove. I'll take care of that later. There's a technique that I do here. There you go. Check out that engine detail, guys. Look at that beauty. Yeah, now that it's out of the base, let's take a look at the bottom part of the car. Some LCD model logo up there, and then down here it shows the model of the car, Toyota Supra A80, made in China. It's 1/164 scale. I still like when companies, diecast company, do that, because I know some don't put the name of the car on the bottom. You know, when I was a kid, Matchbox. That's how I know what car it is back then when I was a kid. You know, when they put the car name at the bottom. And like I mentioned in earlier, the exhaust is painted in chrome, which looks excellent. I don't usually mod my diecast, but at least for this one, it looks like you just need a screwdriver to pop this open if you are into modding your model. But yeah, this car though is staying stock. I like stock cars a lot. It's timeless, if you ask me. Oh, I forgot to mention, this one has the defroster grid on the back, which is always a nice touch. And then the wiper, I think the wiper is actually part of the windshield here. And the rear wiper blade is actually a separate piece. So unlike this one is actually part of the windshield. So what do you guys think? I think this is the best Mark IV Supra in 64 scale. I know Hobby Japan has their own version of it. I don't have that model, unfortunately, to compare this to. But from what I've seen from the pictures, they're pretty dang close. But I do like the fact that this model, this LCD model, has an opening hood and also a good roller. That's all, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.